Good morning, student. This is class 12 math and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in a math there is a lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function and trigonometric function. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. This is exercise 5.7 and today's date is 18th of June 2021. This is exercise 5.7 and it is question number 6. Find the second order derivative of the function e to the power x into sine 5x. You need to find out the second order derivative and you have given a question. It is e to the power x, sine 5x. You know that if we differentiate one times of a given function, then it is the first order derivative, and if we differentiate the second time, then it is called the second order derivatives of the function. So firstly see here, suppose let y is equal to e to the power x into sine 5x. Now firstly differentiating equation first with respect to x. So here differentiating equation first with respect to x, we get what we get? It is dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx is equal to d by dx of e to the power x into sine 5x. This is the product of the two functions. You know that differentiation of the product of the two functions is equal to first function into d by dx of second function plus second function into d by dx of first function. So here dy upon dx is equal to this is first function into d by dx of sine 5x means second function. Take e to the power first x as a first function and sine 5x as a second function. So first function into d by dx of second plus second into d by dx of first. So it is e to the power x. You know that d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Here d by dx of sin 5x is given. So it is cos 5x, but at the place of x it is 5x. So student, you have to use the chain rule. This is d by dx of 5x plus sin 5x. You know that d by dx of e to the power x gives you e to the power x. So it is e to the power x right now. Means this one is equal to 5x into e to the power x cos x. Sorry. This is e to the power x cos 5x. D by dx of 5x gives you 5 plus sin 5x into e to the power x. You see that both the function involve e to the power x. So taking out e to the power x common from both the terms, you will get this is the value of dy upon dx. It is the value of dy upon dx. Since here the student, you see that both the terms involve e to the power x. So taking out e to the power x common, you will get e to the power x common. You will get this is 5 cos 5x plus sine 5x. Now you know that for finding out the second order derivative, we need to differentiate the given function two times. So firstly we differentiate to get the dy upon dx. After that we need to differentiate equation second with respect to x. So student, differentiating equation second with respect to x, we get what we get? This is dy dx of dy upon dx, and it is equal to, you know that this is dy dx of e to the power x into 5 cos 5x, because 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Now you know that it is also the multiplication of the two functions. So student, using the formula, again first function into d by dx of second plus second function into d by dx of first. So here it is e to the power x into d by dx of 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into d by dx of d by dx of e to the power x. Here you will get in LHS, you see that d by dx of dy upon dx gives you d2y upon dx. It is the second order derivative. So the value of d2y upon dx is equal to e to the power x. You know that d by dx of 5 into cos 5x gives you 5 is the constant. You know that d by dx of cos x gives you minus sin x. So it is 5 minus 5 sin 5x. Again you have to differentiate 5x with respect to x. Here again d by dx of sin 5x gives you cos 5x. Again differentiating d by dx of 5x here. This is the differentiation of this term. Now plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x and d by dx of e to the power x gives you e to the power x. Here student, this is d2y upon dx2 is equal to, this is e to the power x. If you are taking the common from e to the power x, so both the term involving e to the power x. So taking out e to the power x common from the both the term, here you will get 5. This is, you know that d by dx of 5x gives you 5. So 5 5s are, this is minus 25 sin 5x, minus 25 sin 5x plus it is 5 cos 5x, 5 cos 5x, and it is also plus 5 cos 5x, and this one is equal to sin 5x plus sin 5x. Here you will get, this is e to the power x minus 25 sin 5x plus sin 5x gives you minus 24 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x gives you 10 cos 5x. This is the value of second order derivative of the given function. Thank you, student.